Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to unbox a new subscription box which is called as Globox. So Globox is a personalized monthly subscription box where they customize the box according to your skin and hair needs. They ask you to fill out a beauty profile when you go to order on their site, and there they are going to ask you about your skin type, your hair type, your skin color, hair color, what kind of makeup you prefer, and that is how they customize the entire thing for you. Globox is kind of different from other subscription boxes because it is going to send you only full-size products. They're not going to send you any samples. Plus, unlike other subscription boxes, you are not going to receive any product in future if you are getting them now, so that is a huge plus for me. I'm quickly going to unbox and show you all that I got inside it, and here is what the box looks like. It is a plain brown box and we have "Made with Love" written here. So when you open this, you get to see everything wrapped inside this butter paper, and there's Globox written out here. Let's open it quickly. And the first thing that I see is the invoice, I think. It has the details of everything that I received in my box, and the total value of the products that I received is 1926. That is somewhere around 2000, which is great. And my savings are 1127 rupees. The price of the box is 799. Next that I see is a card that says "Save the Brown Box." Wondering why this box is brown? There is some contest that started on 1st June, which has already passed, and it says it is your ticket to win a free box every week and grand prize worth more than rupees 10,000. So you have to visit globox.in to find out the details. And we have two stickers here for Globox. I think this is for the contest that I just talked about. Next we have two lovely notes from the Globox team. One is by the founder. The name is Jyoti, and she says, "Hey Purva, thanks. Hope you like your purchase at Globox. I would be glad to serve you with more exciting and expert guided box in future. Regards, Jyoti." I really love handwritten notes, and this is something great to be found in this box. The other note says, "Hello Purva, I know your skin means a lot to you and taking care of it is my top priority. After carefully studying your beauty profile, I found these products for you." And then there is a list of the products that are sent to me, and this is by Shivani. So these are the two handwritten notes. I really found them very cute. Moving on to the products that I received, let's start on with the first one. So the first thing that I see here is this, and it is very nicely bubble wrapped. And this is a beautiful necklace. I love the color. I love the spikes here. I have something of this sort already, but I really like the color. And this says it is for 249 rupees. I love this one. The next product that we have is by Matrix, and it says hydrating conditioner for very dry hair, and it has no parabens. So this is the product. I'm really glad that I received this conditioner in my beauty box because I have mentioned in my beauty profile that I have very dry and frizzy hair. This one is priced at rupees 180. Next product is BioBloom Under Eye Gel. I did not have any eye product, and I'm really happy that I received this one as well. This is priced at rupees 259. Next product is this, which is Fuchsia Detox Face Wash with activated charcoal. Let's just pull it out. I always wanted to try out a charcoal face mask, and it looks really nice. The price is rupees 450. I have tried Fuchsia products in past and I was not disappointed by them at all. They work amazingly on your skin. So that is it. The next one is this Fairy Me Cherry My Cheeks blush by Oriflame. I think I should swatch it for you. This looks pretty cool. And that is the swatch, guys. Look how pigmented that is. I do not own any such color in my blush collection, and I'm really happy to have this. And the last product that I've received is the lipstick by the brand Attitude, and the shade is Mauve Over. It is priced for rupees 389. Let's check out the color. The packaging is brilliant, guys. And oh my god, the color is wow. I am definitely going to love this. It is extremely smooth and the color payoff is great. So that is the swatch. And last, I have received 2 samples of Tea Treasure tea. I do not drink tea, so I probably am not going to use this at all. So that was all that I received in my glow box for the month. I'm going to tell you about how you can create your beauty profile and how you can subscribe to their box online. So let's get started. So this is how the Glowbox homepage looks like. The sign up process is pretty simple. You go to their website and you click on the sign up button. You will be taken to a registration page where you need to put in all of your personal details like your name, your mailing address, your password, etc. Then you will be asked to create a beauty profile which the experts are going to study, and they will be sending you the products accordingly. So they'll be asking you a couple of questions like your skin type, your favorite color, your hair type, etc. And once you are done with all of that, you just need to click on the submit button and you're done. That is all about today's video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I will be leaving the links down below. So that's it. Bye.